So I'm assuming, you know, if I try and do a... Oh my god, that was really fast. So back again, I've been watching Drone Archie's videos. I think that's how you pronounce his YouTube name. We're going to try his rates today. So potentially too fast for me, but let's see what happens. So let's just find his rates. He does put them here. Check his channel out. The stuff he can do with the Avata and then this video with the Neo is very impressive. Okay, here's his rates. So we've got 220s, 940 and 0.2. Let's compare that to what I was flying. Okay, so let's jump in the goggles, control, remote controller, gain and expo. So we've got, yeah, these are way different. Okay, so this will be interesting to see. But let's go in and change them. So we're going to go 220s, 940s. Wow, I'm assuming this is a big difference. But I'm still learning. I don't know what the difference actually is. 9.2. Okay, and obviously attitude limit is off. Okay, let's get out and try it. It's cold this morning. Okay, let's test these out. Okay, so where we are recording, we're on manual. Let's keep it around 26 degrees. Motor's starting. Okay, let's see how we perform with this. Like I say, it is windy. Let's keep it close-ish, especially to start with. Yeah. Feels okay, but obviously I'm not doing too much at the moment. It's going to be flips and things that will happen faster, I'm assuming. You know, if I try and do a... Oh my god, that was really fast. Okay, okay. So I think that's the biggest difference. So I turned the stick there to make it do a side flip, and it went round like twice, I think, and then crashed, obviously. Interesting. That's going to take some getting used to. I wonder whether it's too big a jump. Wow, that happened fast. So that is a massive difference with obviously that rate. Let's come through here more. I don't want to get it covered in sand, and I also want to stand in the shade-ish. All right, let's have a go again. So we are in manual, we are recording, we are motors on, we're away. So what about a front flip? Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, it's really fast. So general controllability, or flying, or general flying around, it feels okay. So it's just the rolls and the flips that it feels super fast on. So I don't know whether I should have it like that. Let's go again. Let's race the truck. Well, someone else said I can change the speed setting as well. So I see I've got meters per second there. I want to change that to kilometers an hour or something like that. So I have to go and have a look. You see the general flying is fine. That's fine. So I can do gaps. That's all good. Uh-oh. Okay, let's be a little bit more sensible. I am liking this 4x3 though. Okay. Okay, if I go a little bit, just go slower with it when I do the roll. Okay. Okay, let's be sensible-ish. Let's keep it at 25 degrees. We're in manual. We are motor starting. We are away. Alright, so general flying around is fine. Actually feels really good. But it's the flips and rolls that I can't get with this at the moment, but I think if I had a bit more of an open space and played with it, I'd be fine. Okay, so I've come somewhere now where there's a lot more space, but notice here, see this is starting to break here on the front of the drone. See if you can see that. Is that focusing enough? So this is starting to break, so I'm putting these guards back on, these bumpers I've got. I took everything off to reduce weight, but I think I'm going to add these back in just to try and make this drone last a little bit longer. But as you can see, we've got way more space here now, so we should be able to play with the flips and the rolls and see if I can get those down with these new rates. Let's do a couple of flips now and see what happens. So like yesterday, these rates feel fine for standard flying, so I can move around everywhere, I can go through some gaps. Yeah, way fast. Let's try again. Okay, first one didn't work, but let's try again. So just come up a little bit higher. Alright, see that worked. I just went really slow with the stick. Yeah, same again. So just going so slow. Yep. Let's try the other way. Oh, no. Oh. Yeah, it's starting to get a bit better. No. Okay, have a breather. So general flying around is okay. Okay, super slow. It's not the smoothest, but trying to get more graceful. No. Okay, so we're doing okay-ish with the rolls. Let's try some flips back and forth. My goggles are nearly dead, so we don't have long. Take off in manual. Whoa, 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 what happened there? That was really weird. Let's do that again. That's better. Okay, there we go. So we got a flip. Roll. What if I get a front flip? No. So over rotating is obviously the biggest thing on the flips. I need to go much slower so I can spot the horizon, maybe a little bit higher. All right, that's a lower down roll. No. I know I should be turning on and off after a crash, but the goggles are on 8%, so I think that's going to stop me flying soon. Yeah, look, we've got occasional one. No. Okay, so obviously I need lots more practice. I'm going to keep with these rates for a while. I'm going to keep trying to get the flips and the rolls down because I do really like the flying and I like the responsiveness of the sticks. I'm pretty confident that the more work I put into trying to get low flips and rolls closer to the floor, I'm going to need that speed. Let me know what your thoughts are on sticking with these rates. Should I do that or should I go back to some slower ones? And I'll speak to you guys in the next one.